everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Julep that I still haven't canceled my subscription, so I have no idea what I'm getting. I am a dingbat in that respect. So Julep is a fingernail polish company initially, and they have gone into makeup and they do all sorts of everything. This says hand of plenty, fall in line. It's time for a color change with 4 new shades of When Pencil Meets Gel long-lasting eyeliner. And there's 4 different new colors, I guess, and I'm not sure if I got one or not. When Pencil Meets Gel long-lasting eyeliner, and it looks like I got the nude shimmer color, which is one that I will definitely not wear. That's the problem with the Julep thing, is that if you have like 4-day window that you can go in there and change things up. Otherwise, I mean, it's pretty, it's glitter, but I wouldn't use this as eyeliner. I like a dark eyeliner. The only one that I might use on this would be the Sage Gray. So if I had checked early enough, I could have switched it out to that, but I didn't check. You can also skip a month. I mean, it's good in that respect, and you accumulate points so you can get some months totally free, or you can pick out product for free, which is nice. Looks like this is eyeshadow in the color Stone. Sounds promising. The color looks a little bit light on the packaging, but let's see what it looks like in real life. Oh, it's like a brownie color. Yeah, that is not my color. So this will all be a gift for my daughter. And I believe that these boxes are $25 a month. I think they're $24.99 including shipping. And then the nail polish is this pretty gold. I mean, it says Marlene It Girl. It is gold. It's nice. It's just not a color that I would use. So this whole box I am going to gift to my daughter. I think that she will like it. And yeah, but I mean, it's neat and it's cute and it's a good way to get your stash up if you need to. I really don't need to anymore, but I haven't canceled yet, so you know, it is what it is. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like Julep, I mean, the product is outstanding. I really do like the product, but it's just not something that I need right now. And I should have skipped the month, but I didn't, or at least changed the colors out to something I'd wear. But you know what? 'Tis the season, and it's a perfect gift for my daughter, so that's fine too. So it all works out, right? Have a great day. Bye-bye.